Hey y'all, Jeff here with Jeff's Cars and Garage, and I'm outside my garage. And wait a minute, this isn't a car. So, funny thing, my wife and her illustrious stuff, she decides that she finds this thing on Marketplace, and while it's a neat little cabinet and whatnot, she says, I want this, because this will work great in the kitchen for whatever, and since we have a 100-year-old house, it might be appropriate. But as you can see, it's a mess. It's a hot mess. And her reasoning was, well, honey, you just painted a car. Can you do this with the same thing? And I said, well, sure. I have a little leftover paint and clear coat left over from painting the 350 SL, but you know, after I got to thinking about it, I'm going to rattle can it. But I am going to take the hinges off. I am going to sand it. I'm going to get out my orbital sander and I'm going to sand it. And you can see I've got my sawhorses out here, and I'm going to lay it out there on its back. But the back is also, a hot mess, and I'll just turn this. Actually, I'll just take the camera and I'll just kind of move it around and let you see what I'm dealing with here. So it's not a car. It's not a project car. It costs a whole lot less. I think this was $50 off of Marketplace or something like that. So even got me a little cover right here in the package. In case it gets really sunny out here, although eventually it'll be shaded. And I'm in my courtyard here behind my garage. See, there's the garage. There is the carport where the 560 resides. Just let's peek in on it. Let's just see if it's still there. And there it is, all in its glory, sitting there, kind of tucked away by itself. But this thing shouldn't take long, and I just went to kind of the local farm store and got a couple. I think I got 3 cans of white spray paint. But I'm gonna go ahead and go in the garage, grab me I'm actually going to sand the back first and kind of paint it first before I do much of anything else. And then by that time, the back of it, it's a little worse for wear. But follow the progress. I'm just going to pause the video for a little bit, and then I'll come back with it, because this shouldn't take that long. I mean, I'm not going down through layers and layers of different color. But actually, I think I'm going to go grab a screwdriver, and I'm going to go starting to take off the handles. And oh, by the way, Jose is here, and let's go check in on him real quick. He's in the garage. I'm going to work on the 350 SL. Starting to put some of the bushings and things on, and see if we can't make it a little bit, a little safer to drive. So, Jose, what you got going on there?
Jacking up the car here on the front end.
So we're going to start working on some lower bushings. What is it? What do we talk about there?
We got a tie rod, a couple of joints here and there, and
okay, and then the fronts. Oh, okay. Oh, the control arm bushings and things like that. Okay. Yep. All right. Well, folks, there you see it. Got all kinds of projects going on here at the on the family day at Jeff's Cars and Garage. So, and this jack that he's using, I got that jack, oh goodness, a couple years ago, and I got to tell you, that thing, it sure saves your back. It hooks to the battery. and you know, jacks the car up. It doesn't use a lot of battery juice, but you know, we can put the battery charger on the battery, so just in case we need to. But this car, you know, as you notice here in the garage, we put the car in at an angle, so he's got room to work on both sides. And to put the whole car up in the air. You know, so maybe I need to get a couple blocks of wood so that we don't lose the car. Let me see. Do I have, so it doesn't roll. Let's just make sure. I do have somewhere, I have some. Well, that ain't gonna do nothing. That brick will, though. We'll put this brick on the other side. That way we're being a little safe. Safety first. Yep. What's that?
Do not try this at home without any parental supervision.
Yeah, there you go. Well, you know, my videos are
They're not no crazy.
I don't have the they're not made for kids. I take the kid part of it out of it. But okay, well, I'm gonna let you do your thing. I'm gonna go out and play outside.
Okay.
And
we should have this done here.
oh, you don't 2 minutes. Yeah, right.
Oh man, it's always something.
You know, this is a 1972 car there, and you know, although it's been pretty much a garage queen because the undercarriage is not rusted, so they should pop off. You know, all the bolts and nuts and things like that should come off in pretty short order. I do have all my chemicals and things like that. Since we've changed things around a little bit, I've got the big shot here of the PB blaster or industrial blaster. Yeah, PB penetrating blaster. So in case you need it, you know, you're probably confused because all of the changes that took place. And you know what? This extension cord thing, I gotta move that. That is gonna kick us in the butt. See where I got my extension cord, folks? They're hanging out there. I've already bumped and scraped my arm, so I'm going to take that down before somebody really gets hurt. So we'll just figure out what else to do with the extension cords later, because that is not safe, and we like to be here, you know, have a safe environment here, right? Yeah, that way we don't really injure ourselves. We've already figured out that that's a problem. So there we go. Well, folks, I'll leave him to his thing, and I'm going to get doing my thing, and we'll go back out here and pause the video so that he can get to work on this hot mess of a cabinet. So I think I'm just going to stop this video, and we'll make this kind of a cabinet two-part video. So there you go, folks. Thanks for watching. Comments down below. Appreciate it. Appreciate you watching. Thanks.